How to fix Instagram can't upload video on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't upload video on Android phone. All you need to do just go to settings and then scroll down until you find here this one, storage, and then click clean up. Now just wait, junk files, just wait for it and then just clean it, junk files or cache, and just clean it and then go back to apps and then apps again. Now we need to find Instagram, and here we'll find permissions. Just you need to check all of those, you need to allow all of those here, and then go back and go to storage, clear cache, and now just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.